My dear students, good morning everybody. Today we are going to start a new poem, that is Gratefulness. I think we are going to know each and everything about your parts of your bodies. So otherwise we are going to know the organs of your bodies. So in this poem, the poet Joseph T. Renaudin, he wants to explain or describe about our importance of our organs. How that human organs are very important. How we are going to show the gratefulness for that human organs. I am asking a few questions, a simple question for you. Which are the very important organs of our body? You know that very well. Answer one by one. So, which are the very important organs of our body? Anybody? Yes. The very important organs of our body is the eyes, the nose, the ears, the tongue, the lips, the eyes and the head. It means the mind and also the skin, the legs, hands, like this. These are all the very important organs in our bodies. Dear students, have you know how that organs are working for yours? Really, we did not know, we did not show any gratefulness for that our organs. So we cannot show any gratitude or we cannot show any gratefulness for our hands, eyes, nose, ears, lips and also hands, legs, skin, mind, heart, like this. So when we are going to show this gratefulness for your organs. So in this poem, the poet very importantly, he says about the organs, we are very grateful for our that important organs. Throughout our life, we have to forgotten that organs are just we are getting the benefits from that organs only, but we did not show a gratefulness for that organs. Without that organs we can't live. That organs are working regularly. But at the end of our life, but at the such situation, we cannot show any gratitude or gratefulness for our organs. Really, it is very important thing. We are going to remember that we have to show the gratefulness for our great organs. So, this gratefulness poem is very important and also it is a memorization poem for our examination purpose, so that we have to give very interest regarding this poem. So, we are going to read or recite this poem. Look at the textbook or poem. I read now. The reading skill is very important. Gratefulness, written by Joseph T. Renaudin. I am grateful for the eyes that I can see, the activities that can be done by me. I am grateful for the ears that I may hear, the sobbing of those who need me near. I am grateful for the lips that might speak words of comfort and peace to all who seek. I am grateful for a mind that I might know how to aid those who need me so. I am grateful for the hands that I might do some orders or simple tasks for you. I am grateful for the ability to always pray, to give me the strength and guidance every day. I am grateful for one thing, all else above, that I was given a heart that I may love. Again I read this poem. Again, I received this poem. Look at the poem. How to read, how to pronounce the words, how to make a pitch and pause in this poem. Okay. I am grateful for the eyes that I can see, the activities that can be done by me. I am grateful for the ears that I may hear, the sobbing of those who need me near. I am grateful for the lips that might speak words of comfort and peace to all who seek. I am grateful for the mind that I might know how to aid those who need me so. I am grateful for the hands that I might do some arduous or simple task for you. I am grateful for the ability to always pray, to give me the strength and guidance every day. I am grateful for the thing all else above, that I was given a heart that I may love. I think we are very well know how to read this poem. So here in this poem, the first four sentences, the poet or the author, he was explained about like this. I am grateful for the eyes that I can see. Here in the first sentence, the first four lines, the poet Joseph T. Renaudin, he want to explain, he want to describe about the eyes. The eyes, how that very important organs in our body. The poet he wants to say like this, without these eyes, we can't see this wonderful world. We can't enjoy the beauty of this world. We can't see all those things what happened in this world or the things. Really, the poet he wants to explain the importance of the eyes, how these eyes are very important. You know that the blind person, those who are not having the eyes, they can't see this world, they can't enjoy this beauty of this world, they can't touch the things, they can't feel how that beautiful world was. So here the eyes are the very important organs in our body. So that the poet says like this, I am grateful for the eyes that I can see. Really I am very grateful for these eyes. We are shown the very gratefulness for these eyes, because with these eyes we can enjoy, we can feel, we can touch, we can see the wonderful or wonders of this world. So that eyes is very important, but we cannot show that gratefulness to these eyes, how they were very important. With the eyes of these eyes, we can enjoy, we can see, we can feel, we can saw, we can look all over the world, how this beautiful world was. So that purpose, the eyes are very important. We should be show the gratefulness for these eyes. The activities that can be done by me, I am grateful for the ears that I may hear. Whatever the activities, whatever the task, whatever the work we have to do, that work has to be done and helped by these eyes. Helped by the eyes, so that the eyes is very important thing in our organs or the body, or it is very important thing in our organs. I am grateful for the ears that I may hear. Next the poet says about the ears, how these ears are very important. How these ears, without ears, how can we are going to hear anything? Without hearing, we are not able to feel. We are not ready to, we are going to exchange our feelings. So, how we are going to express our feelings? Hearing the good or bad things. Hearing the good and bad, something happened in this world. So that ears also very important in this world. The like this eyes. Eyes and ears are also very important thing. We are going to hearing a good or bad news, or hearing the good news, hearing these all things in this world happening. So that purpose, the poet he wants to say about the ears also very important things. Without hearing, we can't feel anything. We can't exchange all those things with others. We can't show the that what your feelings with others. So that purpose, the ears also very important thing in our organs. So we have to show, we should show the gratefulness for this ears also. Importance of the ears. So like this, the poet again he says like this: I am grateful for the ears that I may hear that sobbing of those who need me near. Sobbing means, here there is a meaning for sobbing. Sobbing means crying. Sobbing means crying. The crying is very important thing that they were having. That thing that is very important thing, that sobbing means crying, the loud voice. So when you are hearing the loud voice or big voice or noise from this, from the help of this hearing. So ears are very important thing that you are going to crying or sobbing, or we have to hear the some good, bad and good things. So that purpose, the poet, the author, he wants to explain about this eyes and ears also very important thing to this thing in this poem. So like this, the poet also explained, the poet also described about all those things, how they are very important things. Let us, we are going to continue in the next, that fourth, second, that stanza. I am grateful for the lips that I might speak. Yes, dear students, without the lips, we can't speak. Without the help of the lips, we can't express your ideas. We can't express your feelings to others. How they want to understand these feelings with the help, without the lips, without help of the lips. Without help of the lips, we can't speak. With the help of lips, we only speak that your feelings. We will exchange your feelings with the speaking. So then only the lips are also very important organs. How when you are going to speak, when you are going to share your experience, when you are going to share your feelings to others with the speaking. So then only the lips are also very important thing, important organs for yours, that only when you are going to show the gratefulness or grateful to the lips. We have to show the congrats. We have to show that gratefulness to these lips. The lips are also helpful to us to speak, to express your ideas, to share your feelings in others. So like that, we have to share your happy, unhappy, the good or bad thing, and also at the time of situation, the lips are also very important things to speak when we are going to show this gratefulness to the lips. Words of comfort and peace to all who see. The words when you are going to speak with the help of lips, the words also very useful to us. How we are going to pronounce the words, how we are going to express the feelings with the words. So that the lips also very important things to use that words very comfort. Though we should show the gratefulness for these lips also. I am grateful for the lips that might speak words of comfort and peace to all who seek. I am grateful for a mind that I might know. The poet he wants to describe about the mind. The mind is also very important organ. When that mind it activates, then all the organs also activates. So the mind is very helpful to us for the sake of all other organs activated. So it gives some messages to all organs to activate. The mind is very useful to link to other organs to work as activate. So I am grateful for mind that I might know how to aid those who need me so. Aid means, here there is the meaning of aid, that is help. How we are going to help others with the help of this mind. How we are going to know other things. How we are going to think others. How we are going to thought the other things from the help of this mind. So that the mind is also very important thing. We have to show the gratefulness for this mind also. The point we want to show how we are going to show the gratefulness for this mind is. I am grateful for a mind that I might know how to aid those who need me so. How that mind is very necessary. How the mind is very necessary to help others from the help of that mind also. So next the poet explain like this. I am grateful for the hands that I might do. So that hands also very important things. The poet, he want to show his gratefulness for these two hands. Without these two hands, we can't do any work. We can't touch anything. Both hands are very important thing to do that task or work. So in this poem, the poet, he shows the very gratefulness for this two hands. Without two hands, we can't do anything. We can't activate. We can't do any task. We can't do any work. So that purpose, the two hands are very important organs. You must show. We should show the gratefulness for these two hands. And also the poet says like this. The hands, I am grateful for the hands that I might do so arduous or simple task for you. Even though when you are going to do a simple task, simple work, then the two hands are also very helpful to us. These two hands are very helpful to us to do any task, any work, a simple work or a big work. Whatever it may be, we have to show the gratefulness for these two hands. I am grateful for a ability to always pray. Yes, at the time of praying, we are going to join these two hands. When we are going to pray in front of God, then we are going to join our two hands to pray in front of the God. So then only these two hands are very helpful to us to do each and everything. In front of the God, when you are going to beg or to pray, these two hands are very important things. So that we should show the gratefulness for these two hands, very important thing. So like this, the point you want to describe about the hands also very important things, very important organs. Always pray to give me the strength and guidance every day. So the poet himself, he want to give me the strength always to do anything, to do help for anything from these hands. So like this, the poet, he wants to explain. To give me the strength and guidance every day. I am grateful for one thing. All else above, that I was given a heart that I may love. Finally, the poet, he wants to say very gratefulness to this very important thing. Above all these hands, eyes, ears, lips, hands, all above this, one thing is very important, that is heart also very important thing for our human beings. See, heart is very important organ also. Heart also very important thing to show a love and affection to others. You have to show the love and affection. You have to show your humanity to others. Then only the heart is very important organ also. Very important organ in our body also. We should having that good heart. We have to show gratefulness for that heart also. When we are going to showing the love and affection to others, then we are going to having a humanity qualities. Then the heart is also very important thing. Like that, the poet also explained about this importance of the heart for this human being. So why not? Why should you are not showing your gratefulness to this heart? So like this, the poet he wants to say the very grateful to this heart also. I think you are going to understood this poem very well. The poet also very nicely, very simply, he want to explain all the important organs in our body. So first he explained about these eyes are important, and also ears also important, and also lips, and also hands, and also he shows about the mind also very important thing. You are going to thought or things to do good or bad things, and also finally you want to say the very grateful to this heart also. Heart also very important thing to show love and affection about all things, or all others, or humanities, or human beings, or humanity thing in all other aspects. So that this poem it shows very important poem. The poet very simply he want to explain all those things. This is the summary of this poem. The main theme, the main idea of this poem is all organs of our body is very important. All organs working very simply. Even though we cannot show, even though we did not show the grateful to that all organs which activates in our body. We should show the grateful to that all organs in our body. This is the main theme. This is the main idea of this poem. I think all of you understood this poem. Let us look over this new words are introducing in this poem. Very simple new words are the glossary words are introducing in this word, in this poem. Let us know sobbing. What is the meaning of sobbing? Is crying, loudly noise, loudly voice, like that. Crying, sobbing means crying. Then another one is comfort. Comfort means to somebody who is worried feel better. Comfort means somebody will feel better when they were having worries. Aid, A-I-D, aid means help. Aid means help. That is very important. And also orders. Orders means involving a lot of effort or energy. So like this, these glossary words or new words are introducing in this your poem. This is the very important new words. It is better to use in your own words, using these new words in your own sentence. These are also very important things. Let us, you are going to homework questions here. Homework questions are very simple. Why is the poet grateful for eyes and ears? As I already told you, firstly, that eyes and ears are also very important thing. Without these eyes, we can't see this beautiful world, and we can't enjoy the beautiful world without these eyes and ears also. These eyes and ears also very useful to us to look all over this beautiful world. Second one is, how do lips and mind help a human being? As I told you that lips are also very important. Lips, with the help of this lip, we can speak, we can show, we can help to share your feelings to others. We have to use the words to speak of these lips, we should show the feelings of others. We have to share our feelings in front of others with the help of lips and also this mind also. Third one is, what does the poet use his hands for? As I told you, that hands also very important thing to do the daily task or any work in this world, and also the hands are also useful to pray in front of the God. So these like this, the hands also very important thing when we are going to use these hands. And why does the poet place the heart above ears, above all ears? The poet show the very important place in the all above all these things, because the heart is very important thing. The heart it shows the good love and affection about all the peoples to know that humanity purpose. So like this, these are all the simple questions we are going to write this homework questions. I think that you are going to understand this poem very nicely, that we are going to understood this poem very nicely, that I think all of you are going to understood this poem very simply. So this poem is very important thing. This poem is very important for the memorization, for the sake of examination, 4 marks. So 4 marks very easily you are going to get this poem when you are going to memorize this. So simply now I am going to stop this poem in this period. We are going to continue this next period. Thank you.